We are in Kri Island, West Papua, Indonesia. Today we're gonna visit the most famous place of Raja Ampat, the Pianemo, where a breathtaking view is promised for us. We're also gonna looking for manta rays, this huge 8-meter long fish on the way to the Pianemo and on the way back, and during our visit in the Fam Island as well. We are currently staying here in Gibran Homestay, but their boat is under maintenance at the moment. And because it's a long ride from Kri Island to the Pianemo and then to the Fam Island, they recommended us the neighbor homestay, the so-called Turtle Homestay.
Travel the world together, babe. Travel the world together. Travel the world together, babe. Travel the world together. Up in the mountains, down by the seaside. Doesn't really matter, long as I'm with you. All of our worries fade in the sunset, and we'll be happy one day at a time.
This is ahead of us. On the way. So finally we arrived. Hi, the Pianemo was very nice. Now we are heading to Melissa Garden. It's very hot, right?
Yes, super hot.
Can't wait to swim. We snorkeled in the Melissa Garden. It was amazing. And another spot also, which was actually much better because it was not so strong current and was very calm, was no waves. I think Melissa Garden is more for diving than snorkeling.
In a long lost dream, it's where I'll find you. Oh, the look in your eyes makes me feel alive again. Begging, please, come with me. Begging, please.
So yeah, we're gonna have lunch here, having toward to see a manta. These are our drivers. Yeah, they are super nice. Yes. Wow. So this was our lunch break. Here's Marky, our driver.
We're going to see manta. Finally, I'm 10 years chasing manta. I did already a few trips only looking for manta. Couldn't see them. So I hope today is the day that I was waiting for that long. For 10 years waiting for this moment. Let's see.
Today. Oh. I see. Wow. Okay. The manta is there. Okay, Paco, you go. Ah. Oh, I can see. Wow. I can see Paco. Yeah. Marco and Melky chasing mantas.
Go!
Yeah, guys, it was very nice. They helped us to see mantas.
Yeah, swimming
Yeah.
manta, finally.
I filmed them a lot and Marco was just chasing them. It was super nice.